So the first thing we have to do, guys, is change to improper fractions, right? So 8 times 1 is 8 plus 7 makes 15, and that's all over 8 times 5, 6. There's no shortcuts here. You just have to do it. So my suggestion to you would be to grab a calculator, right? 15 times 5 is 60. No, 75.
I am respectful for people.
Thank you. So I have 75 divided by 48. So I can take 1 whole out of the 48. So from this 75, I'm going to want to subtract 48. And that leaves me with a remainder of 27. Let me make sure that's what I did yesterday. That is not what I did yesterday. What did I do? Oh, because we could have simplified across the diagonal. We could have taken a factor of 3 out. So if we take a factor of 3 out here, divide by 3, divide by 3, we have 1 and 9/16. So that means that there is something else over here that's going to be that. All right, let's look at this one real quick. At orange. So 3/4 we can leave the same. Times 2 times 12 is 24, plus that one makes 25/12. And then we can look across this diagonal. We can take a factor of 3 out. Once here, 4 times here. So we have 25/16. So if I take one group of 16 out, I'm left with 9/16 here as well. Notice that these match. That means that anywhere we see the number 1, we're going to color it orange. Let's see if we can do some division. All right, look at number 6 here. We have 7/22 times, we have to flip it, 6/1. So I can take a factor of 2 out. Here is 3 times, here is 11 times. 7 times 3 is 21. 11 times 1 is 11. So if I take 1 whole out, that's 11. I'm left with 10/11ths. 1 and 10/11ths. So if we look at pink over here, the first thing we have to do is 9 times 8. 72 plus 2 is 74/9. That's ugly. I'm on pink. And I have to flip this fraction. So 7 goes to the top, 4 goes to the bottom. You could probably take out a factor of 2 here, right? So 74 divided by 2 is 37. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that leaves me with 37 times 7 on top, 259. And 2 times 9 is 18. So I would take that 259 and divide it by 18. That gives me 14 holes. Well, 14 times 18 is 252. So you can see it? Because you should see what I'm doing on the calculator so you can be practicing with me. So 259 minus 252 is 7. A remainder of 7 out of the 18. So 14 and 7 18ths.
Oh, y'all are party fun, you know?
So you're gonna find one that's 14 and 7/18 on the left side. And find that match there. So you have Alex, you have practice of multiplying and dividing fractions. You should have plenty of work to do. Please quietly work on it. Then what should you be working on? Other messy work. Yeah. Oh.